What's going on, guys? This is Shehu here from smartpassivelifestyle.com. Welcome to my Hydra Mails review. I'm here inside the members area of Hydra Mails, and during this video I'm going to be giving you a full walkthrough of what Hydra Mails is and how you can use it to make money online. In a nutshell, Hydra Mails is an info product that will actually teach you how you can find tens of thousands of targeted email addresses from every single niche you can think of, and of course use those email lists and make money off from that. So now how you can use it to make money online: one is that you can actually use it to promote affiliate offers and make money off from affiliate commission, and two, you can also use it to establish an email marketing agency just as the other guys are actually doing in Udemy. So I'm going to be going into more detail during this review video. Of course, if that's not something that you are interested in, then stick with me to the end of this very video. And I've also packed along some custom bonuses for those of you that want to pick Hydra Mails during via the link in the description of this YouTube video. So if you click on that, it's going to take you to the source page of Hydra Mails, where you can grab yourself a copy of Hydra Mails by clicking this orange button right here. So you have to do that in order to actually grab the early bird bright price. I said bright price, of course. So my bonus number one is going to be email list management secret. This is a video course, 10 video course that will actually show you exactly how you can control the access of your audience, how you can literally make commissions over and over again, literally using this particular 10-part video series. Then bonus number two, I'm going to be giving you this 10K blueprint, which is also a video course to show you exactly how you can make money off from email list. So it's basically like an email list course that will actually show you another way you can make money off from email marketing, apart from the one I mentioned to you earlier. Then bonus number three, I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can do modern email marketing, the up-to-date email marketing, which is also another 10-part video series that you can actually watch step by step, exactly how you can establish put off everything that is needed to do to establish an email marketing. Then bonus number four, I'm going to be giving you list building profit, what it takes to actually build email list, the kit. It's actually involved in using, of course, email list. So everything is jam packed inside this bonus right here. Then bonus number five, which is my favorite, guys, my favorite. Why I said my favorite? Because the secret to email marketing is your ability to actually write something, to actually write email that will entice people to actually take action. So that's why I'm including this copyright influence that will actually teach you how you can literally write and engaging and catching email, of course, that will catch your buyers to actually buy from you or some other promotion, whatever you can think of. Because there are, like the one I said, that you can establish email marketing agency in Udemy. Sometimes even me, I personally, when I went to Udemy, I don't actually give the vendor email copy. I actually tell him to do the email copy for me to his subscribers. So in this case, you are the one that will actually do the email copy, email sales letter, whatever you can think of. So that's what this bonus is all about. Then bonus number six is going to be teaching you how you can double your conversion with your email marketing. Yes, so a little bit of an advance to the previous courses on email marketing. This one, how you can double up your conversion with email marketing. So that's these 6 mega bonuses that you are going to be getting when you decided to pick Hydra Mail via the link in the description of this YouTube video, which will take you to a page like this. So now, with that being said, let's jump right into the members area. So once you purchase Hydra Mail, it's going to take you to a page like this. As you can see, they say thank you for your purchase, you have signed off to your comprehensive. So this is the introduction, which the vendor actually highly recommend you to watch the introductory aspect of the course. So this upgrade, of course, which is 10 million mass email promotion. So this is the video number one, which is thank you for joining the course. Of course, this one is going to take you what it take your goals. You need to set a goals, yes, because whatever you are doing in life, even if it is out of marketing, of course you have to set a goal. So what are your goals? Then number 3 is that it's going to be showing you exactly how you can scrape 10,000 niche targeted email list. How crazy is that? And the best part about it is that it is 100% free, guys. Yes, free. Then module number 4 is going to be taking you exactly how you can also scrape 10,000 niche targeted email addresses, but in this case it is a paid, of course, so you are going to be buying another software also. But the best part about it is that you can actually use the free aspect of it. Use the free one. It's just that what I find actually the difference is that this one will actually take you a little bit of time compared to using this software, of course. So module number 5 is going to be showing you exactly how you can clean up your email list, which is also one of the bonuses that actually offer you how you can manage your email list the right way. So that is module number 5. Module number 6 is going to be showing you exactly how you can create an irresistible offer. Yes, how you can create an offer. Like I said, you can use this course, the knowledge you gain from this course, and promote affiliate offers. So this vendor will show you exactly how you can create irresistible offers. Then module number 7 is going to be showing you exactly how you can set up your email account. So some kind of servers like that, which I'm not familiar with them. Then bonus, of course, as a bonus, module number 8 is going to be showing exactly how you can set up your SPDM for 1010 score. I don't know what that is, but I believe it's part of the email marketing stuff. So then module number 9 is going to be showing you G Suite Gmail warm tips, prepared G Suite for sending bulk email. So basically this module will show you how you can send the bulk email. So now imagine you have 10,000 email addresses, and for each these 10,000 email addresses you have only 1% conversion rate. Let's even say 0.1%, and for average it is estimated that for each and every email is equivalent to $1 per month. Yes, per month. So imagine you have tens of thousands of email addresses that you can mail each and every day, and there is no restriction to it, because if you say you want to do this with your Gmail account, it will take you forever before you send 10,000 email before you send 10,000 mails, of course. And of course, if you want to do it with Gmail, of course, Gmail also only allow you to do it to do 50 emails per day. So that, as you can see, the free versions out there are actually limited, so much limited, and sending 50 email cannot actually guarantee your conversion. Yes, so that is the beauty part of this particular course. Then module number 10 is going to be showing you exactly how you can send 10k emails per day using the strategy is going to show you inside the video. Then number 11, which is module 11, how to really have a set and forget passive income machines. Yes, so that's actually, of course, the aspect of being online. If you cannot set up passive income, then basically you are also doing what the offline people are also doing. So it's going to be showing you exactly how you can set and forget passive income machines. Then module number 12 is going to be showing you how to go out and automate everything for fast growth. So in a complete autopilot is going to show how you can set everything in an autopilot so that you don't actually have to be doing everything all the time. So that is module number 10. Then this, I believe, they are PDF content marketing tools you need right now. Then these are free Chrome extension which you can need for email marketing. I've actually gone through this one and I find them very interesting. So that is that for actually HydraMails, the introduction, the goal, how you can scrape, how you can send, how you can create irresistible offers using this particular course, the knowledge you learn from this particular course, and of course along with my bonuses, which I believe they're going to do a lot of good for you if you pick up HydraMails, which is management, how you can set up a business with email marketing, modern email marketing, the list building, the copywriting aspect, which is the best one I like out of the bonuses, how to double your conversion, of course. So Actually, that's that for today's video. If you want to pick HydraMail, don't forget to check the first link in the description of this YouTube video, which will bring you to a page like this, which you can grab yourself a copy of HydraMail by clicking the orange button right here. So that is what I have for you for HydraMail demo review and walk through. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.